Good morning, students. Today we will do a simple activity of weaving of fabric, and for this we need a craft paper. We can take any color in the craft papers. So, see, our woven fabric will look like this. You can take any two color papers for weaving of this fabric, scissor and a sellotape. Now we will take one paper and we will fold it like this. Fold it taking proper distance. Either you can take 1 centimeter or 2 centimeter. After folding it properly, open it and with the help of a scissor make strips. It will look good if you will cut them in a straight line. So make all the strips like this from this paper. So all our strips are ready. Now keep them aside and take the second paper. First fold it like this. You have to fold it as you folded the first paper at equal distances. After folding, open it and from another side fold it in this manner. And now after folding, take the scissor and cut out the strips, but you should not cut the corners. Leave it as such like this. Similarly, you will cut out all the folded parts without cutting the corners. Now all the folded parts have been cut out. Now open it. It will look like this. Now you will take the cutouts paper which we had left aside. Now the strips should be put inside this black craft paper in this manner. One should go upside, then down, then up, then down, then up and then down. Bring it upwards at the corner. Take another strip. Now it should be done in another way, like upward now first, then downward. It should be different from the first paper. Now okay, see the pattern. In the first one it will go down, then up, down and up. In the next one, first it should be down, then up, and now you will repeat the first one again. Now we have put all the strips. After that you can remove the extra paper from the corners like this. Now it looks like this, and at the end you can paste it with the help of a glue, or you can take a sellotape and put it on the strips like this and put the tape like this so that it would not come out. You can also use glue. So our piece of fabric is now ready. Thank you.